Catalyst first. I can hold this Thrasher just fine.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and stay outside of his range a little bit.
Yeah. Scramble kite him. Don't let him get close. You have more than enough webs to pull that off. Scramble kite. Don't get close. Do you hear me, Anti-Mentor?
Yep, yeah.
Even if you think he's gonna get away, let him, but do not get close.
Don't worry.
That Thrasher's moving back in to engage. Hurry and waste that Catalyst.
Yeah.
Careful. He's gonna go for one of you.
Not for me, he ain't, motherfucker. Alright.
Thrasher.
I got the capsule held down.
Sweet.
Still launching my short scan. Careful, Anti-Mentor. He can reach out and touch you.
He's hitting me now. Nice.
Okay. Clean up these pods. I'll watch short scan while you guys loot.